Everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can remove FPS drops and fix performance during gaming on Windows 10 and 11. Now for many people this is actually quite a simple solution, and for a majority this is actually the problem, and we'll be getting to the problem in a second. So basically you will have like low FPS, a lot of drops, stutters. This will fix all of that. However, for the people who do have this turned off, be sure to check out our other videos and that may help you out. To begin, what we're going to do is head to our Windows taskbar, press on the Start menu, and go to Settings. From there, we want to navigate to the Gaming bar, where you see the Xbox Game Bar captures in game mode. From here, make sure the Xbox Game Bar is turned off, and so is this unchecked. From there, go to Captures, open the folder, and make sure you delete all of it. From there, go to Game Mode, make sure it is turned on. From there, go to Xbox Networking and make sure none of this is connected. Alongside that, if you want to do extra, you can go back to Game Mode and head to Graphics Settings. From there, you can add the games in which you want to play while on. So, as you can see, I have the Overwatch application set to high performance. To do this, you simply want to go to the file location. So let's do Browse. You can do, as you can see, this PC local disk, blah blah blah, Overwatch. From there you press on options and press on high performance. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, make sure to like, subscribe, and don't forget that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.